Today, I'm on Heathfield Close, nestled within the popular village of North Petherton. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this impressive 4-bedroom semi-detached home. Comprising of over 1,500 square feet, this extended family home benefits from generous driveway parking, is immaculately presented throughout, and conveniently located within close proximity to the M5 motorway. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.